Good day, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome back to my class. Today, as I had said, that we will discuss on completing form. So, let's begin. So, our today's topic is completing form. In my previous class or session, we had seen and also solved some form which were from our English for Today books. So today we will know more about this completing form. So first question may arise in your mind that what is form? So here is a definition. A form is a document with spaces, also named fields or placeholders, in which to write or select for a series of documents with similar contexts. That means a form is a document with spaces. That means blank fields in which we need to write or enter data or information. Now, let's see some forms. Okay. So let's see how this form looks like. So we can say a form can be of various kind, like an application form, or account form, or admission form, or any kind of club form which you want to get in. For example, we can say you are good at football and you want to join in your football team. So you are given a form that you need to fill up with correct and logical information like your name, address, and so on. Or for example, you want to get admitted into a school. So in that case, you need to fill up a form in order to get the student ID. So basically, form is personal information of yourself which has been recorded for communication and administrative purposes. Now let's solve some form. So here is a question that suppose Liala reads in class 5 in a government primary school. She lives with her parents Jahir Alam and Lily Begum. Her date of birth is 1/1/2008. That means 1st January 2008. She wants to be a member of English language club in her school. Now you have to fill up the form using the given information. So here we can see a form. First of all, we can see English language club. Then we can see that name, father's name, mother's name, class, date of birth, and at last the signature. Whenever you are going to answer these question, you have to draw a box like this, and then you have to write down exactly the same way as the question are going to be given to you. So here we can see name. So in the question, the name is given, that means Laila. Now the father's name, we can see here the father's name is Jahir Alam. Mother's name is Lily Begum. So we are going to write the Lily Begum. Class. So here is the information that is Laila reads in class 5. So the answer is 5. The date of birth. Yes, we can see here the date of birth, that means 1st January 2008, and the answer is 1st January 2008. And lastly, the signature. You have to write down the name, that means Laila. Number 2. Suppose Rahim lives with his parents. Recently, his father has been transferred from Mirzapur to Sylhet. His father's name is Saiful Islam and his mother's name is Fatima Begum. His date of birth is 28th August 2008. Now he wants to get admitted to class 5 in a primary school. By using the given information, you have to fill up the following form. So we can see the form here, Sylhet Primary School admission form. So in this form, the authority of the school needs some information like name, father's name, mother's name, class, date of birth, that means day, month and year, and at last the signature. So the name is obviously Rahim. Father's name is, here we can see his father's name, that is Saiful Islam. So we are going to write here Saiful Islam. Mother's name is, here we can see his mother's name is Fatima Begum. So here we are going to write down that Fatima Begum. Class, see here is his class that he is going to admitted in class 5. So the class will be 5. Date of birth 28th August 2008. So day is 28, month is 8 and year is 2008. And at last, this is Rahim's signature. Now moving to this third question. Suppose Rahim lives with his parents. His father's name is Saiful Islam and his mother's name is Fatima Begum. His date of birth is 28th August 2008. He reads in class 5. He lives in Mirzapur. He had passed the PEC from Bharateshwari Homes. Now he wants to get admitted in class 6. By using the given information, you have to fill up the following admission form. Now, in this form, the authority needs some information regarding name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, last school attendant, and lastly the signature. So name is Rahim, as we can see here, the name is given here, that is Rahim. Father's name is Saiful Islam. See, this is his father's name, Saiful Islam. Mother's name is Fatima Begum, as we can see here, Fatima Begum. Now, date of birth, 28th August 2008, that means day is 28, month is, August is the 8th, number 8 month of the year, and the year is 2008. Now, last school attendant, that means the name of his last school which he had been studying, that is he had passed the PEC from Bharateshwari Homes. So this is Bharateshwari Homes, and here we have to write the signature, that is Rahim. Now homework time. This is your homework, so listen attentively. Suppose Rahim lives with his parents. His father's name is Saiful Islam and his mother's name is Fatima Begum. His date of birth is 28th August 2008. He reads in class 5. He lives in Mirzapur. He have passed the PEC from Bharateshwari Homes in 8th grade. Now he wants to get admitted in class 6. By using the given information, you have to fill up the following admission form. So this is the form you need to admit this or fill up this form. So name, date of birth, last school attendant, seeking admission to, result in the last exam, and lastly the signature. So this is your homework. I hope this is very easy. You can do it easily. So that's all for today, my dear students. Do this homework and I will give you the answers in my next class. So see you in my next class. Till then, be safe, take care of yourselves and your family. Thank you.